Guys, I'm in my bathroom and I'm literally wrestling with the idea of removing this hair from my head. I know I have to remove it. Why? Because I have another hair that I need to install for a specific purpose. And so I know I have to take this hair out. But tell me why. For the life of me, I cannot come to grips with the fact that I need to remove this from my head. This hair I've been wearing for just about 3 weeks. But remember guys, this is the third time reusing the same exact hair. Did it, took it down, washed it, reused it a second time, took that down, washed it, and this is the third install with the same hair. And look how amazing this is. Literally the official immortal crochet hair, hands down, no questions about it. It's just guys, I'm not even trying. And to be honest with you, I'm not even good with keeping my hair maintained. I'm the type of girl that I will fall asleep on my hair without covering it, even though I know I need to cover it. I put out no effort at all where this hair is concerned. I treat it any and any way. I just grab it, pull it in a hair tie for the most part, and the hair just will not misbehave. The hair will not misbehave for anything. If I was to be an ambassador for a brand, I would be an ambassador for this hair, because I believe in it so much. It has never failed me. I have tried it and tested it. When you try something once and you get a particular result, you can probably say it's, you know, chance, or, you know, it's just a one-off thing. But when you've tried it multiple times and you still get the same result, then you have to definitely come to the conclusion that it is what it is. All right. So guys, unfortunately, I am going to have to remove this hair, but you best believe, based on how the hair is looking, the quality of the hair, the fact that the hair is not tangling, it still looks nice and healthy. It's not frizzing. Guys, this Yanky Twist hair, you best believe, will be removed and stored for a 4th install. Come on now. Can the church say amen on that? 4th install. Okay, so I'm literally going to do this as a challenge to see how many installs I can get out of this here, because it refuses to die. Okay, refuse to die. All right, just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know that, because I always get questions about the hairs that I install and for updates and whatnot. But this is the real deal, guys. This is the truth. Yanky Twist. Yeah, I will leave the details down below. And if you haven't seen the install video, you can definitely check that out down below, because I have the install video and I have many other videos, both on my own hair and on other clients' hair. So check those out. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of the Naturalhairnamix gang. All right. Talk to you on my next one, and all the best for 2025. Have a happy new year. Much love, much blessings, and may all your dreams and your desires come to fruition. Bye.